guys, how's everyone? So today I wanted to share with you a quick little tip that I have to keep the wheels looking really clean and a lot easier to actually clean when you go to do it from all the brake dust. You know, the brake dust builds up a lot on these cars. But there's an easy way to keep them looking cleaner, and then when you go wash them, the brake dust will come off a lot easier. And you don't need no special wheel cleaner, nothing like that to do it. So what I like to do, if you know, I like this product. It's a newer product I've been using. It's from Aguirre's here. It's this liquid ceramic wax. You do a nice coating on the wheels with this. Just like you would the paint on your car, since these wheels are painted and clear coated. It's the same process. Very easy to do, and it'll make it so much easier to clean. So here I've just wiped them down with soapy water. Nice and clean. Then you're gonna put a thin layer all the way on every painted surface, the insides here. And I like using this because it's easy to wipe on and you just wipe it off, compared to like a conventional paste wax. You do that and it'll leave it super slick, and it'll help prevent the brake dust from doing it. So I did all the wheels. I applied it on. I used this just like I would the paint. Like I said, you just put a little bit on, rub it all on, and then you take a microfiber towel. That's the key to making this a lot easier to do. And you just go and you wipe it all down. That's all you do. It's easy. It's very quick. So I'll go ahead and do that and I'll show you the results. Okay, so this is after they're all done. Super shiny, as you can tell. Super slick. And it's quick too. It doesn't take that much more time. And it will save you time when you go clean your car, having to try to get all the brake dust off. If you do this when the car is newer, it'll help you so you don't have to clean it as much. If you do it when the car's a little older, it's going to have a lot of brake dust on it. You have to do a good job cleaning, but then once you coat them like this, it'll be good for some months. Like I said, I've noticed this on previous cars I've done. It makes it a whole lot easier to clean. I even did that, even the valve stem cap, everything. It just makes it super slick. So if you want to cut yourself some time trying to keep your wheels clean, no matter what wheels you have too, even aftermarket wheels, put it on there. It's a great thing to do. And it'll make it a lot easier. Okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. If you don't already know, it's a great little tip to keep it looking clean. I appreciate it, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.